initiating all of you into depth dimension now.
The Shastra Pramana for the power in depth dimension is taken from the Shiva Sutras, verse 1.16. Shuddha tattva sandhanadva apashu shaktihi. Shuddha tattva sandhanadva apashu shaktihi.
The Balasans will naturally immediately start manifesting depth dimension. It's not that you will not manifest. With your integrity, naturally you will also manifest. That is one. All the earlier initiation you will start manifesting immediately because the load is increasing on you. So you will start. The 100th joke is told. So first joke you will start laughing. You will start laughing for the first joke. Why don't you call by phone? I don't want you to miss because it's going on. See, the moment I gave the cup, the initiation started now.
हिमगिरिवासिनी मनोन्मणि पापनाशिनी त्रिभुवनपोषिणी विशेषिणी ज्ञानदायिनी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि जगदीश्वरि शरणं श्री नित्य नित्येश्वरि करुणसागरी कमलपुष्पनेत्र सुन्दरी कन्याकुमारी कामनाशिनी सुभाषिनी विश्वरूपिणी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्येश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि. स्वप्रकाशिनी जगच्चिन्त्यमानरूपिणी धर्मस्थापिनी ध्यानपीठकारणेश्वरि मन्दहासिनी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि परमेश्वरि शरणं श्री नित्य नित्येश्वरि महायोगिनी भक्तसङ्कटापहारिणि सभानायकी श्रीचक्रमध्यवासिनि दुःखहारिणि नित्य आनन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि. महाभयकरी ह्रीङ्कारबीज अक्षरी सदाशिवकरी सत्कृपाकटाक्षसागरी मीराभयकरी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि भुवनेश्वरि शरणं.
Listen. Now I'm going to initiate all of you into the depth dimension. See, all the Balasans, pick up your Krishna Sila. See, all the Adinavasis also listen. See, I am giving you all the initiation. Manifesting with integrity is up to you now. Anyhow, I'll do my job. I will not hold on. I will not keep anything without giving you guys. I'll share. Now, with more integrity, you will materialize, you will manifest everything. That's all. So, all the Balasans, please pick up your Krishna Sila. Sadashivoham. Sadashivoham. Sadashivoham.
वेदरूपिणी
Sadashivoham.
हिमगिरिवासिनी मनोन्मणि
सदा
पापनाशिनी
शिवोऽहम्।
त्रिभुवनपोषिणी विशेषिणी ज्ञानदायिनी नित्यानन्देश्वरि जगदीश्वरि शरणं श्रीनित्य नित्येश्वरि करुणसागरी कमलपुष्पनेत्रसुन्दरि कन्याकुमारी कामनाशिनी सुभाषिनी विश्वरूपिणी नित्यानन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि
Sadashivoham.
स्वप्रकाशिनी जगच्चिन्त्यमानरूपिणी धर्मस्थापिनी ध्यानपीठकारणेश्वरि मन्दहासिनी नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमेश्वरि शरणं श्रीनित्य नित्येश्वरि महायोगिनी भक्तसङ्कटापहारिणि सभानायकी श्रीचक्रमध्यवासिनि दुःखहारिणी नित्यानन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि
Listen. All the Balasans, everyone please listen. See, materialization is just like 3D printer. The slab, Krishna Shila you are having in your hand, in your lap with you, is like a 3D printer. First, bring oneness with you and me. Understand, you do not know anything called Sadashiva. You know only me. So use the name Sadashiva, form this form. Just remember that you are one with this. Whatever you know as this. Remember, from that oneness, give instruction to the 3D printer. What do you want to print? Just put your hand and take it out. You will see how person is doing this. That's all. Bring oneness, and from that space, give instruction to the Krishna Shila, 3D printer. Done. In the initial, you will be able to start doing all the powder. Okay, like a vibhuti, kumkum, kadka pudi, all powder form you can do. And the next, little grain like a rice, akshada, small diamond. There is no caste in the cosmos. Understand? In cosmos, nothing is high or low. Grain, rice, diamond, and the small stone piece, all one and the same. There is no extra energy to materialize diamond and the rice grain. In cosmos, there is no value. Cosmos is not dependent on share market and the Wall Street. Na? See, diamond is valuable, stone is not valuable only for us. But in the space, there is no such thing. In space, there is nothing. So, the same, you see, it is only a size matters. In the materialistic, this whole science, only size matters, nothing else matters. In the initial, your body will be able to print out only the powder. The next, it can be little grain. Then it will be little more solid. That's all. But there is no cost value, all that involved. All that is not at all involved. The same energy only is needed to materialize the rice grain or the same size diamond. There is no value involved in this. Actually, when you start materializing, even you will lose value over this whole matter. You will just lose respect for this whole matter. I'm not saying you will throw away all your money. Your money will be there just to fulfill the purpose if you have something in your life. Like, of course, we do have money to fulfill that purpose. That's all. It will not have any impact over you. It will not have any impact over you. Understand? In the cosmos, the caste and all does not exist. The caste does not exist. And you can use this for healing. You can put your hand on the Jnananjana slab, the Krishna Sila, and tell your body to become normal BP. Because all that depth belongs to depth. All that belongs to depth. You just check your BP, put your hand, give instruction. By bringing oneness, give instruction. 2 minutes is enough. Check the BP again, it will be normal. And diabetes, you check your sugar. Put your hand. Do this. 2 minutes. Then diabetes will be normal. Sugar will be normal. You can do this now. All that even you guys will be able to manifest. Because to manifest this and all, you have integrity. It's not that I'm not discouraging that you don't have integrity, you will not be able to maintain this. No. Understand? Maybe it will take little time for you to start manifesting. Don't give up your will persistence. But these physical things you can do immediately. Same way, people who are not initiated, you can alter their will. It's a power. It's a depth related. No? So depth means all physical things you can handle. No, really. See, now, same way, if somebody has a kidney stone, you can just blast that stone to pieces and it will come out, they will be healed. If somebody's, the arteries are blocked, you can just get the fat out and they will be healed. You can do everything. It's a power. It's a everything related to physical you can handle. Everything related to physical you can handle. Yes, you can get the tumors to say how you can do, you may not be able to get it out physically by hand, but you can dissect them to pieces, they will come in the intestine and go away. You can just make them into small pieces. They will just come into the intestine and then you tell them to take Kadukapudi, that night it will go away. Actually, what I do, even your incompletions like this, I convert it into matter and bring it out of the body. Even your mental, psychological incompletions, I just convert them into matter and push it out of your intestine. Like 100 janma what you gathered, I can push it out in 10 minutes. Like one gunny bag incompletion will become only one small rice like. Matter, when it is reduced to matter, all those psychological will become only one small rice and it will go away. That's all. Janma's incompletion will be only one, like a small, one sugar bead and it will go away. So, now just sit few minutes, close your eyes. I'm going to make that Shakti Nibada happen. And then after Shakti Nibada, immediately you can start the process. You can start materializing. It's just that Shakti Nibada. I'm going to enter into your being and assure whenever you connect with me, the connection goes through successfully. That's all is the Shakti Nibada. Sit. Please close your eyes. Balasans, start manifesting. I bless you all. All of you will manifest. Start doing. So Shakti Nipada starts now. You can start doing it. Adinavasis, if you guys want to practice for 10 minutes or sometime, you can sit and practice and go. Or if you guys want to continue the meeting, it's up to you guys. Can I? All Balasans, just same thing. Bring oneness, like a 3D printer, visualize what you want and just take it out of the Krishna Sila, that's all. First start with powders, that will be easy. Vibhuti, kumkum, sandalwood paste, kadaka pudi, all that kind of powders things. It will be a lot more easy. Maybe you can, each Balasan can have one or two Nityananda participant, so they can choose what they want and then you materialize that.
हिमगिरिवासिनी मनोन्मणि पापनाशिनी त्रिभुवनपोषिणी विशेषिणी ज्ञानदायिनी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि जगदीश्वरि शरणं श्री नित्य नित्येश्वरि करुणसागरी कमलपुष्पनेत्र सुन्दरी कन्याकुमारी कामनाशिनी सुभाषिनी विश्वरूपिणी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि स्वप्रकाशिनी जगच्चिन्त्यमानरूपिणी धर्मस्थापिनी ध्यानपीठकारणेश्वरि मन्दहासिनी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि परमेश्वरि शरणं श्री नित्य नित्येश्वरि महायोगिनी भक्तसङ्कटापहारिणि सभानायकी श्रीचक्रमध्यवासिनि दुःखहारिणी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि महाभयकरी ह्रींकारबीज अक्षरी सदाशिवकरी सत्कृपाकटाक्षसागरी निराभयकरी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि भुवनेश्वरि शरणं श्री नित्य नित्येश्वरि महाराजिनी नित्य सिंहासनेश्वरि मधुरभाषिनी भुक्ति मुक्ति शक्तिदायिनी मङ्गलेश्वरि नित्य आनन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि
Depth initiation success. Come on, continue. Don't stop, continue. So the speed